Hey guys, here is a quick tutorial on how to change your restriction settings once instead of having to change it every time for every single assignment. Go into your Google Drive and create a new folder by clicking New Folder. I'm going to call mine Schoology. Now I'm going to right-click on the folder and click on Share. On the bottom, I'm going to change this link to Northside ISD. I'm going to click on that. And now it has changed the restrictions to anyone in this group with this link can view. And click Done. Now, whenever I have an assignment or I make a copy of an assignment, such as this one from the district, I simply have to right-click, move this assignment into the folder that I just created, click on Move. Now I'm going to go back into my Schoology folder, and you will notice if I right-click and click on Share, my restrictions have automatically changed to anyone in this group with a link can view. This should eliminate your students requesting permission to access a document. I hope this helps.